The challenge with the inboxes on M&E is a lot of emails coming in, a lot of inquiries coming in, and we're working with a tool that is not designed for sales. It's designed to handle emails. So a tool that sorts either by sender or by time. So you've come in on a Monday, 50 inquiries received, more than 50 received over the weekend. What's going to happen to all the others? They're going to sit on a screen below. So how do you figure out where your high value opportunities lie? So we've actually been working since July last year on creating a specialized AI model that just handles M&E emails. And what it's doing on M&E is it's reading every single email. It's trying to understand what the email is, and it's categorizing that email into urgency. How quick do you need a response? Trying to ascertain some level of size on it and saying, is this an inquiry for 50? Is this an inquiry for 5? Trying to get some level of what is that type of inquiry. So when we started working with a customer, they actually had some rules to say, we know that these types of inquiries are the ones we win. We don't want to handle the other ones straight away. So we're prioritizing it and moving it up. Where we're going to go to next with Agentic is taking those, doing an availability check. If it's not available, respond straight away saying, sorry, not available. Here's what's available. Here are some other properties that you could consider as well. So just get that speed of response back into M&E. Okay, and it, in true style, it just sits over all your other applications. So with one customer, we started taking those M&E inquiries and start pushing it into their tracking system as well, because they want to say that, well, a lot of our team is spending just putting it into the system. And that's not really helping you win business, but that's something you have to do within the business to keep things going. So take the email, push it in, do an availability check, high value, flag it, availability not there, send off a rejection straight away. Okay, so that's already in flight. We've been working on it. There's a lot of detail that's gone in, but I think the key part that we've done is we've got this thing called a fine-tuned AI model that just handles M&E in sales inquiries, and it's tailored just to do that. We've done over thousands of emails, and it's, we can just plug and play that. Okay. Where we're going to go to next with this is we've already started working on tackling grooming lists. So that's the next bit that's going to happen on M&E, that start taking the grooming list and putting it in. Initially, we're going to focus on the entry part because that's where the biggest effort lies. But with the grooming list, we also have to tackle the changes as well. Okay. Any other? I'm around. Sorry.
I think hospitality is a business of exceptions a lot of the time, and some of the things you're talking about now, where does that expertise come from in terms of revenue management, the type of background information that you require to answer some of the detailed exceptions that exist in M&E, for example?
You're the expert at hotels. We do the automation. So what we're doing here is we're trying to learn from you. We've got people who will become a part of your business. But what needs to happen in your business does come from you. How we then convert it into a solution that works is on us. So the expertise lies with you for hotels. The automation expertise is with us. How we do it, we've got actually quite a few customers later as well. I would suggest have a chat with them as to how they felt the journey of converting and taking that expertise lies. We have reached a stage where when we've tackled quite a few processes, so Sam mentioned 115, where when somebody says something, we can accelerate. Like today, if somebody comes to us and says, I've got this OTA and I need to put that into my PMS, we say, okay, can you just tell us these 3 pieces of information, which takes 10 minutes. But what those rate codes need to be and how you do your room mapping and what rooms you have and what promotions you're running, that's all with you.